Welcome to Decoding Life's Code, a computational biology journey. We're about to unveil the intricate world where biology meets computation. This video is a captivating exploration for anyone intrigued by how life's complex code is decoded. What if you could read the secret language of life itself? Imagine decoding the blueprint behind every organism, every disease, every human trait. This isn't science fiction. It's the cutting edge of computational biology, where groundbreaking computer science is cracking life's deepest secrets. Prepare to have your mind blown. We are on the verge of completely rewriting our understanding of biology, not with microscopes, but with algorithms. Imagine a world where every disease, every genetic predisposition is just a line of code waiting to be deciphered. This is the new reality. We're not talking science fiction. This is the cutting edge of biology, powered by computation. Let's dive into how this seemingly chaotic world of living organisms is actually an intricate, data-rich system. Forget the microscope for a moment. Our new lens is the supercomputer, analyzing DNA sequences that stretch for billions of letters. Discover how massive data sets of biological information are collected, stored, and organized. Explore the specialized databases and algorithms that turn raw genetic material into actionable insights. Now let's explore how computational tools are cracking the code in action. How do we find a single faulty gene in a haystack of millions? It's all about pattern recognition and powerful algorithms. Understand the role of AI and machine learning in accelerating discoveries and personalizing medicine. The future of decoding promises even more incredible advancements with AI and beyond. What happens when AI can design new drugs faster than ever, or predict outbreaks before they spread? The possibilities are immense. The next generation of breakthroughs isn't just about sequencing, it's about intelligent interpretation and predictive modeling. Are you ready to play your role in this biological revolution? Whether you're a budding biologist, a tech enthusiast, or just curious, computational biology offers a compelling journey. The future of medicine and understanding life itself is being written, and you can be a part of decoding its next chapter.